Hello, everyone. So I just completed this. I grouted the project. This is a 17-year-old marble I was talking about. They're 24 inch by 24 inch polished marble. So I had none to spare. As you could see right by that floor there where the tub's gonna hit, that's a dark tile. I had to use it up, so it will be hidden with the tub, by the way. These are the all I had left was the 12 inch by 12 inch polished marble, and I had some pencils that I found in that bin, and this so I figured I'd dress everything up with that. 45s on the corners on the inside, and the grout that I used is let's see, it's Ultra Color Mapai Almond. So it's still drying up in some areas, and you could see I put three of the 12 inch by 12 inch band across, and I had some 24 by 24s, so I've used everything up, and it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. So I lined up my niche, and I followed that band right through with equal cuts on top and bottom of the 24s. And I also did a curveless with a next cut. So yeah, I'm hoping you come back. And unfortunately, I didn't do the install in this, but please come back when it's all done.